Good evening. Hi, hi. So, guys, uh, today I'll first start with India space relations. Yes. Later, I'll go for oceanography. First, let me do this. Yes, can you open map, like Asia map? You open Asia map. You open, please. Yes, sir, Rumita. Can you tell me how many countries have land border with India? How many countries have land border with India? Chirag, good. Seven. Seven countries. You see, first, Pakistan. Pakistan. Guys, you check three states, three states, and two union territories has border with Pakistan. Three states and two union territories has border with Pakistan. Yeah. Guys, this is a new topic. You can easily attend this class. Not an issue. Everyone, which are the three states and two union territories, guys? So, you have Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir, and Ladakh. Good. Second, can you tell me Afghanistan? Afghanistan. Okay. What separates India and Pakistan is Radcliffe Line and line of control. Radcliffe Line and line of control. Afghanistan and India is actually separated by a line called as Durand Line. And you have one union territory which separates it, and that is Ladakh. Okay. Can you tell with respect to China, guys? With respect to China, how many states and union territory has borders? How many states and union territory has border? Four states and one union territory. See this. Arunachal Pradesh, and China, the border line is known as McMahon lines. Sikkim, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, there is no border name for that. Ladakh, it is line of actual control, LAC. Fine? Okay. Guys, fourth, Nepal. Anil, LOC is line of control, LAC is line of actual control. Nepal, can you tell me how many states has border? 5 states of India has border with Nepal. Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and Sikkim. 5 states has border with Nepal. There is no name to that, guys. Bhutan, guys, can you count and tell how many states has border with Bhutan? 4 states. Sikkim, Assam, West Bengal, and Arunachal Pradesh. Very good. Everyone, Bangladesh, longest border of India is with Bangladesh. How many states, guys? Longest. Please understand, the line which separates India and Bangladesh is also Radcliffe line. And which are the 5 we have? West Bengal, Assam, then Meghalaya, Tripura, and Mizoram. Okay, 5 states has border with Bangladesh and it is the longest one. You have Myanmar. Four states. What is the thing is, please understand from north to south, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, and Mizoram. Lakshmi, Bangladesh was known as East Pakistan, ma'am, not West Bengal. West Bengal was always part. Yeah, Sushmit, there is no line for that, Sushmit. Fine. Pooja, this is India's land border. AR is Arunachal Pradesh. Oh my God. Lakshmi, please be conscious, Rashmi. You are not even listening. AR Pradesh, or at least try to write along with the classes. See, yes, Bangladesh has longest. Second longest is China. Third longest is Pakistan. Fourth is Nepal. Fifth is Myanmar. Sixth is Bhutan. Seventh is Afghanistan. This is area wise. Area wise. 1 to 7, this will be area wise. Okay. Next. Maritime borders of India. Maritime borders of India. First one. Guys, can you tell me what separates India and Maldives, guys? What separates India and Maldives? Guys, especially India and Lakshadweep, that is sorry, Maldives and Lakshadweep is separated by 8-degree channel. 8-degree channel. Minicoy is part of India. Yes, Sony, this is in order. 8-degree channel. Degree basically means latitude. Degree basically means latitude. Okay. Guys, Lakshadweep, within Lakshadweep, we have something called as Minicoy. Okay. Laccadive and Minicoy is separated by 9-degree channel. So that is different. I'll come to that. Maldives, Lakshadweep, 8-degree channel. Sri Lanka and India, they are separated by Pak Strait and Gulf of Mannar. Pak Strait and Gulf of Mannar. Okay. What separates India and Myanmar, guys? See, guys, in this particular part, this is your Myanmar. Here you will have an island called as Coco Channel. Coco Channel. This is my the island is known as Coco Island. This is North Andaman. North Andaman. So the one which separates these two are Coco Channel. Okay. So what separates India and Myanmar? Thanks, ma'am. India and Myanmar is separated by Coco Channel. So, Coco Island of Myanmar is separated from North Andaman of India. Okay. Yeah. They tell Nehru gave it. Don't worry. As of now, let us see. See, guys, Nilanjana, nothing to understand here. Coco Island is part of Myanmar. Okay. Coco Island is part of Myanmar. North Andaman is part of India. These two are separated by Coco Channel. Then guys, we have Indonesia. Indonesia. So basically, guys, at the bottom, you might have heard about Great Nicobar, Indira Point, Great Nicobar. And here you will have Sumatra. Sumatra is part of Indonesia. Great Nicobar is part of India. Both of them are separated by Great Channel. Okay. So, when we talk about Indonesia, Sumatra of Indonesia is separated from Great Nicobar of India by Great Channel. Great Channel. Okay, guys. Thailand. Thailand and India are basically separated by Andaman Sea. Thailand and India, you see here, if this is your Andaman and Nicobar, Thailand will be somewhere here, and this is my Andaman Sea. Okay. So Maldives, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Indonesia, Thailand. Pakistan, Bangladesh also we have this, but we do not have any line like this, channel line like this. Tibet, we look at it from part of China itself. Okay. Next is coastal states. Andaman and Nicobar is separated by 10-degree channels. Andaman group of islands and Nicobar group of islands is separated by 10-degree channel. See guys, India has India has coastline of coastline of 6,900 kilometers. Okay, or we say 7,516.6 kilometers. This is including islands. Including islands, it is 7,516.6 kilometers. Okay. And if we see 9 states and 4 union territories has coastline. Sushmit, that is with respect to India Pakistan Sar Creek is disputed. There is no line called Sar Creek line. 9 states and 4 union territories has coastlines. See guys, the 9 states are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal. So you will have 9 states and 4 union territories. Which are the 4 union territories? Puducherry, Dayu, Daman and Dadra, Nagar Haveli, Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep. So, in total, 9 states and 4 union territories has coastlines. 9 states and 4 union territories has coastline. Land border, if I take, India has approximately 15,200 kilometers of land border. 15,200 kilometers of land border. And guys, if you look at the states, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya. Okay, guys, you see 16 states plus 2 union territories. They are Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. 16 states and 2 union territories. Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. Those who are done, those who are done, can you tell me how many states and union territories do not have land borders? How many states and union territories do not have land border and coastline? They do not have land border also. They do not have coastline also. See India map and tell this. Don't tell just for the sake of telling. Okay, you have India map with you. Without seeing India map, if you answer, what is the use? 5 states and 2 union territories doesn't have land border and coastline. The 5 states are Haryana, Madhya Pradesh. Guys, at home, I want you to revise all this. Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Telangana. Union territories are Delhi and Chandigarh. 5 states and 2 union territories doesn't have land border and coastline. two states has both coastline and land border? Coastline and land border. Which are the two states? West Bengal and Gujarat. West Bengal and Gujarat has both coastline and land border. Done, guys? Guys, can you tell me, uh, Anjali, West Bengal has coastline and it also has international border. It has international border with West Bengal, sorry, Bangladesh. Gujarat has with Pakistan, and they have coastline also. Can you tell guys which state has which state has border with more number of more number of other states in India? Other states in India. Okay. Sunal, I didn't talk about countries now. I'm talking about which state has more borders with other states. Six. One. Many people are telling Madhya Pradesh. Okay, you check Madhya Pradesh. Gujarat has border. Rajasthan has border. Uttar Pradesh has border. Chhattisgarh has border. Madhya Pradesh has border. Only five. Many people also think Assam is correct. Assam, Arunachal Pradesh has Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, and West Bengal. West Bengal. Okay. But you talk about Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh. One. Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, sorry, Jharkhand, Bihar, and Delhi. Okay, and Delhi. So Uttar Pradesh has more borders. Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next, guys. Can you tell Tropic of Cancer passes through? Tropic of Cancer passes through how many states in India? Eight states. Good. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, yeah, Tripura, Mizoram, Jharkhand. I'm sorry, Jharkhand. Guess longest, longest is Madhya Pradesh. Shortest is Rajasthan. Longest is Madhya Pradesh, shortest is Rajasthan. Can you tell 82.5 degree east Indian Standard Time passes through how many weeks? Indian Standard Time passes through how many? Five states: Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. Puja, no Puja. It passes through only these five states. Guys, I'm telling you, please, please, whatever you're writing in the class, you have to see in the map. If we start seeing in the class, like some people might understand, some people might not search it. Okay. Yes. These are all very, very important facts that are there. Done, guys? Shall I move? Guys, which is the northernmost point of India? Northernmost point of India. Indira Col. This northernmost point of India is Indira Col. It is given, COL is given after goddess Lakshmi. Which is the southernmost point of India, guys? Indira Point. Once upon a time, it was called as Pygmalion Point as well. After Indira Gandhi visited it, it is called as Indira Point. Westernmost Pygmalion Point now. Pygmalion Point. Westernmost point of India is Guhar Moti. Which state, guys? Which state is westernmost in India? Gujarat. Gaurav, yes, it is submerged. Indira Point is submerged. But remember, even after submergence, it is still ours. Okay, if we say it is not the point, then others can claim the territory. So it is below water, that's it. But still it is ours. And what is the easternmost point of India? Kibitu in Arunachal Pradesh. Kibitu in Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. Indira coal is Ladakh as of today, guys. Yes, Aditi. Yes, Aniket. Done? Everyone? Places, Anil. These are all places. Shall I move? Six. Next. Next topic. I repeat, next topic. Indian physiographies. Indian physiography. Where we have to talk about Himalayas. Yes, Bijo, you can. Himalayas. Aniket, don't worry about numbers, Aniket. Great Plains. Ganga Basin. Himalayas, Great Plains, Ganga Basin. Sorry, not Ganga Basin. Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau. Coastal Plains. Islands. Okay. Deserts with respect to vegetation and rainfall, we'll see. And here also we will see some aspects of Rajasthan deserts. Okay. Everyone, this is the syllabus. In that, first we will talk about Himalayas. Himalayas. Okay, first let me talk about the divisions within Himalayas. Divisions within Himalayas. What are all the divisions that you get within Himalayas? The first division is Trans or Tethys Himalayas. The first division is Trans or Tethys Himalayas. Greater Himalayas. Lesser Himalayas. Shivaliks. Purvanchal. Purvanchal. These are the 5 divisions within Himalayas. Guys, physiography, 2 questions every year will come, and 95% of the questions come from class notes itself. Class notes, NCRTs, if you can see, that is more than enough. No need to worry. Okay. Everyone, first, let us talk about Trans or Tethys Himalayas. No. Purvanchal is eastern Himalayas. Outer Himalayas, inner Himalayas are greater, lesser Shivaliks. Everyone, please, can you open your atlas, guys? Can you open your atlas? Physical map, you see. Okay. Everyone, on top, can you see Karakoram? Guys, on top, everyone, can you see Karakoram? Below that, can you see Ladakh? Ladakh. Zaskar. Ladakh, Zaskar. Ma'am, Tethys basically means the ocean from where Himalayas were formed. If you recollect Pangaea, Laurasia and Gondwana land, in between you had Tethys Sea. So from that sea the Himalayas are formed, so it is called Tethys Himalayas. Guys, above Uttarakhand, at least see Kailash or Manasarovar. Any one you try to see. Kailash or Manasarovar. At least Manasarovar will be there, Nikhil. Above Uttarakhand, you check. Everyone. Can you see Indus River? Indus River, does it flow through Ladakh and Zaskar? Indus River, does it flow through Yeah, Aniket. If Manasarovar is there, it's fine. Indus River, can you all check? Does it flow through Ladakh and Zaskar? Yes. Everyone see here. India was something like this. Okay. This was the shape of India. Now let me say, you see here, if you take my hand like this, if this is India, okay, if this is India, this part went and hit here. This part went and hit here. Okay. So in between Europe, my hand is Europe and Asia. Book is basically India. In between you had Tethys Sea. So what happened? It went and hit here in this edge, in this part. So in this part, you got Karakoram, Ladakh, Zaskar, Kailash. Okay. Karakoram, Ladakh, Zaskar, Kailash. You got these mountains. They are known as Tethys Himalayas. They are known as Tethys Himalayas. Okay. Guys, can you check in Karakoram? Can you check in Karakoram? Do you have K2? Do you have K2 or Godwin Austen? In Karakoram, can you check K2 or Godwin Austen? Yes. See guys, Karakoram is present in POK. Karakoram is present in POK. That's why Wikipedia and all suggest that, like, Kanchenjunga is the highest peak of India. But according to India, POK is part of India. So we say what? K2 or Godwin Austen is the highest peak of India. And when we talk about this K2 or Godwin Austen, it is present in Trans Himalayas. This can be your prelims question. Okay, what is it? K2 or Godwin Austen is present in which Himalayas? It is present in Tethys Himalayas or Trans Himalayas. It is not present in Greater Lesser Shivaliks. It is present in Tethys or Trans Himalayas. Okay. And in some questions are arrange the following mountains from north to south. What is it that you have to arrange from north to south? North to south is, if they ask you to arrange, northernmost will be Karakoram, below that Ladakh, Zaskar, Kailash. Okay. Karakoram, Ladakh, Zaskar, Kailash. That is how you write. And Sony Mount Everest is in Nepal, ma'am, not in India. So everyone write along with me. Trans or Tethys Himalayas. Aditya, Pir Panjal is part of Lesser Himalayas, Aditya. Everyone please have clarity. I will cover all the mountains. First see along with me. Okay. Trans or Tethys Himalayas. First point. These were formed due to compression of sediments from Tethys Sea. So they are known as Tethys Himalayas. So they are known as Tethys Himalayas. Next guys, Karakoram, Ladakh, Zaskar, Kailash, north to south, part of Trans Himalayas. K2 or Godwin Austen is highest peak of India in Trans Himalayas. No, Gaurav. No, no. It is above Uttarakhand. It is in Tibet. Kailash is in Tibet. Done with this, everyone? Shall I move? Indus River flows in between Ladakh and Zaskar. Indus River flows in between Ladakh and Zaskar. Okay. Then see, in this region, we observe some important glaciers called Siachen Glacier and Remo Glacier. You'll have some glaciers called as Siachen Glacier or Remo Glacier. Siachen Glacier will get Nubra River. A river by name Nubra flows from Siachen. From Remo Glacier, a river by name Shyok flows down. Yeah. See guys, which is the highest peak in the world is Mount Everest. And Mount Everest is not there in India, it is in Nepal. So don't say that highest peak of the world is in India. Books definitely say Mount Everest is the highest peak of Himalayas. It is highest peak of world, not of India. Of India, K2 or Godwin Austen is the highest peak. Okay. Guys, you see, basically guys, the Siachen Glacier and Remo Glacier is present in this part. And from this, you will get some rivers flowing down. Nubra River, Shyok River and all. Okay. You got these, everyone? Now, can you people see here, guys? Nanga Parbat. Nanga Parbat. Nanga Parbat. Abhishek, I told you, Kanchenjunga is highest peak in Greater Himalayas. Wikipedia and all says Kanchenjunga because they don't consider POK as part of India, but we consider POK as part of India. So just be careful what you write. Okay, Nanga Parbat. Everyone, can you see here Namcha Barwa? Here you will have Nanga Parbat. Namcha Barwa. Nanga Parbat, Namcha Barwa. Everyone? Okay. See here, guys. Indus River flows like this and turns like this, guys. Can you see? Near Nanga Parbat, Indus River turns like this. So basically, if you had Nanga Parbat like this, if you have Nanga Parbat like this, Indus River has eroded the mountain like this. Indus River has eroded the mountain like this, and Indus River is flowing through this. So this is called as gorge. This is called as gorge. Okay, guys, can you all check? Is the Indus River bending into Pakistan here? Is Indus River bending into Pakistan here? Yes. And can you see here, guys? You will have Brahmaputra River entering into India through Namcha Barwa. Brahmaputra River enters into India. The name will be Siang, Siang. The name will not be Brahmaputra. The name will be Siang. Sang Po. Very good. Did you get this? See, guys, Siang is part of Brahmaputra. From Nanga Parbat to Namcha Barwa. From Nanga Parbat to Namcha Barwa. What you have is Greater Himalayas. From Nanga Parbat to Namcha Barwa. What do you have? You have Greater Himalayas. Okay. Yeah, Chanchal, we don't say original name. In what do you call as Tibet, Brahmaputra is known as Sangpo. Everyone see here. Basically, if you have a mountain like this, everywhere mountain is like this, only in this part, the mountain is below. Can I say this region, we can use it to go from one area to another area? This region helps in movement from one area to another area. So this is called as mountain pass. This is called as mountain pass. Okay. So guys, everyone see here carefully. Mountain pass. Mountain pass. Okay. See, mountain pass is an area which helps people to move from one place to another place. You have like this. See, this is all Himalayas. I can't climb like this and go. It's very difficult. But if I have like this, going is easier. So, the areas which allow us to cross a mountain is called mountain pass. And most of it will be natural only. Man-made is very difficult. We may increase or decrease. Everyone, the most important mountain pass is Zoji Lags. Okay, here near Jammu Kashmir area, you have a mountain pass called as Zoji La, and thus that pass connects. Have you heard Srinagar in Jammu Kashmir? Yes, Srinagar in Jammu Kashmir. Yes, Srinagar and Kargil. Srinagar and Kargil is connected by Zoji La. La means pass. Yeah. Gaurav, if you have like this is valley for you. This is all valley for you. But if it helps in crossing the mountain, it will be called as pass, mountain pass. Yes, Sushmit. But we cannot pass through that easily. That's it. Yeah. Guess this is one. In Himachal Pradesh, guys, you have something called as Shipki La. Shipki La. Sutlej River enters into India through this pass. Sutlej River enters into India through this pass, Shipki La. Okay. Here, guys, next. Here, Uttarakhand. I will write again. Uttarakhand. It is basically called as Lipu Lake Pass. It connects India with Manasarovar in Tibet. Manasarovar in Tibet. Guys, in Sikkim, In Sikkim, you have Jalepla and Nathula, which connects India with Tibet. Jalepla and Nathula, which connects India with Tibet. Okay. So yes, we need to learn only the major ones. We can't remember all the passes. You can write Greater Himalayas. This Greater Himalayas. It extends from Nanga Parbat to, to Namcha Barwa. Do you recollect the names now? Nanga Parbat to Namcha Barwa. Or Indus Gorge to Brahmaputra Gorge. Indus Gorge to Brahmaputra Gorge. This Brahmaputra Gorge, Brahmaputra is known as Siang. So it is known as Siang Gorge as well. Okay, done guys? Everyone, see here. It has some of the important passes like Zojila, Jammu Kashmir, connects Srinagar with Kargil. Shipkila, Himachal Pradesh. Sutlej enters into India. Lipu Lake Pass, Uttarakhand, connects India with Manasarovar, Jelepla, Nathula, Sikkim, connects India with Chumbi Valley of China. Done, guys? Yes. Everyone, see here and tell me. Is this convex towards India or concave towards India? I'm talking with respect to India. If I take India and Tibet, see guys, for those people who don't know convex and concave, wherever there is cave shape, it will be concave. The other side will be convex. Yes, Sushmit, different names. Okay. So guys, it is convex towards India. Convex towards India. Okay. Second point. Guys, can you see western side and eastern side? Guys? Western side, eastern side. Can you tell which is far from equator, which is closer to equator? Which is far from equator, which is closer to equator? Western side is far, eastern side is close. Good. Can you tell me which one will be cooler, which one will be hotter? Which one will be cooler, which one will be hotter? Western side will be cooler, eastern side will be hotter. Good. Where will you have more snow? Where will you have less snow? Western side more snow, eastern side less snow. Very good, very good. Next, guys. Can you check in this part? Do you have Nanda Devi? Can you check in this part? Do you have Nanda Devi? In Himalayas, do you have Nanda Devi? Do you have Kanchenjunga? Sikkim, do you have Kanchenjunga? Okay. See guys, in Nepal, you will have Mount Everest and Annapurna. Annapurna. You see, Nanga Parbat, Nanda Devi, Annapurna, Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Namcha Barwa. These are all important peaks of important peaks of Greater Himalayas. Right? Greater Himalayas is convex towards India. Western side of Himalayas is far from equator and eastern side is near. Western side snow line will start early, that is at the height of 1 to 1.5 kilometer. Eastern side snow line will be from 2 to 2.5 kilometer. Yes. Western side is wider like this is. Eastern side is narrow. This exact reason is not known. Eastern side is narrow like this. Western side is wider or broader like this. Shall I move to the next one? Yeah, Aditya, maybe. Last guess. Some of the important peaks are, first one, guys, can you guess the state of Nanga Parbat, guys? Nanga Parbat, can I say Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh border? Can you tell the state of Nanda Devi, guys, everyone? Nanda Devi, where did you find? Kanchenjunga? Namcha Barwa? Arunachal Pradesh. Never write AP for Arunachal Pradesh. Annapurna and Mount Everest, Nepal. Guys, I know you won't be remembering everything, but at least are you getting familiarity with the names, guys? Are you getting familiarity with the names? No, 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 Anjali, because Nepal I have written later, no? If I say Karakoram, Ladakh, Zaskar, Kailash, do you understand these terminologies now? Yes. Do you understand the terminologies like Nanga Parbat, Nanda Devi, Namcha Barwa? These terms, yes. Terminologies are very, very important for you. Let's take breaks. Actually, Vishant, Namcha Barwa is in China only. Yes, yes, ma'am. Plus, please. So, guys, after this, guys, can you all check in Jammu Kashmir? Do you have Pir Panjal? Guys? Pir Panjal. Everyone, Pir Panjal. Can you see in between Greater Himalayas and Pir Panjal? You will have in between these two, you will have Kashmir Valley. Can you see Srinagar there, guys? Can you see Srinagar there? Above Pir Panjal, do you have Srinagar? Yes. Everyone, please see here. Uh, once upon a time, Kashmir was a lake. Once upon a time, Kashmir was a lake. So now what happened? During the formation of Pir Panjal, during the formation of Pir Panjal, land came up like this. Okay, it was like this. Land came up like this. Now, whenever land came up like this, can I say, all the water in the lake will go? All the water in the lake will go. You see, guys, it is like this. It was like this. It became like this. All the water went. And can I say, on my hand, even after leaving, here and there some water patches will be there. Here and there some water patches will be there. That is Wullar Lake and Dal Lake. That is Wullar Lake and Dal Lake. Okay. And you tell me, uh, in lake, will you have a different type of soil compared to normal regions? So after removing all the water, the soil present in Kashmir is Karewa soil. Soil present in Kashmir is Karewa soil, which is helpful for saffron cultivation. Okay, which is helpful for saffron cultivation. Karewa soil. Okay. Everyone. Can you check here? Do you have saffron is a type of plant, which is kesari, they call, no? Kesari. Yes. Can you all check Doladar? Below Pir Panjal. Do you have Doladar? Himachal Pradesh area, you see this Doladar. It will be there, guys. Open separately and check. Separately, Himachal Pradesh, you open and check. Not there? Can you check Mussoorie at least? Nagtiba you won't find. Naktiba you won't find. Can you see Mussoorie at least? If you can check Mussoorie properly, at least place. It's important this. Mussoorie. Guys, you will have Mahabharat in Nepal. Mahabharat in Nepal. You see guys, second, Lesser Himalayas. Lesser Himalayas. It is, yeah, third one, sorry. Parallel to Greater Himalayas from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. So now they are also part of Himalayas. Okay. Then this. Pir Panjal, Dholadar, Naktiba, Mussoorie are some of the important ranges. In between Greater Himalayas and Pir Panjal, we observe Kashmir Valley. During formation of Lesser Himalayas, during formation of Lesser Himalayas, shall I move? During the formation of Lesser Himalayas, water from Kashmir Valley was removed and Vullar Lake and Dal Lake is left. The soil in Kashmir is known as Karewa soil. Which is helpful for saffron cultivation. In local name, it is known as saffron. Local name, it is known as saffron. Done, everyone? Next is in Pir Panjal. In Pir Panjal, Banihal Pass is helpful in connecting Banihal Pass is helpful in connecting Jammu with Srinagar. Yes, have you heard NH44? Have you heard NH44, guys? Which connects Kanyakumari to Srinagar, everyone? Yeah. Kanyakumari to Srinagar, and it passes through Banihal Pass. Banihal Pass. Okay. Yes, guys. Next, guys. Next. Fourth, you have Shivaliks. See, guys, you saw greater Himalayas, you saw lesser Himalayas, and below that you will have Shivaliks. Shivaliks is the southernmost part of Himalayas. It is smaller in height. If Greater Himalayas is 8 kilometers, Shivaliks is 5 to 6 kilometers. Okay. It is almost continuous. Shivaliks is almost continuous except in between Teesta and Raidak. Can you search in Sikkim? Teesta river, guys, separately you check. You will have Teesta river. Yes, Aniket. Sikkim, West Bengal area, ma'am. Northeast India map you see separately. You'll find. Yes. Okay. See, guys, in between Teesta and Raidak, they have some small variations. That is, gap is there. You right? During third upheaval, that means during the formation of Himalayas, first upheaval, first time Himalayas greater and trans was formed, guys. Second time lesser was formed. Third time Shivaliks were formed. So we say during third upheaval, Shivaliks were formed. Okay. It is shorter in height compared to greater and lesser. It is almost continuous except in between Teesta and Raidak river. Guys, below Shivaliks you will have Babar, Terai, Bangar, Kadar. Do you remember? Below Shivaliks you will have Babar, Terai, Bangar, Kadar. Guys, now everyone see here. Do you recollect Indus river flowing here, guys? Do you recollect Indus river flowing here? Guys, this bend is called as syntaxial bend. This bend is called as syntaxial bend. You see? Here also it is going. Can you check Uttarakhand and Nepal, guys, border? Uttarakhand and Nepal border. Can you see Kali river? Here you will have Indus river. Here you will have Kali river. Everyone, can you all check Uttarakhand and Nepal? Uttarakhand and Nepal. Do you have Mahakali, Kali river? It will be there, ma'am. It will be there. Please search, Uttarakhand map separately. Mahakali will be there. Exactly at the border you will find Mahakali or Kali. Did you all check Teesta river? Did you all check Teesta river? See guys, everyone see here. Indus to Kali is Western Himalayas. Okay, Indus to Kali, Western Himalayas. Kali to Teesta, Middle Himalayas. Teesta to Brahmaputra, Eastern Himalayas. Okay, Himalayas is divided into three parts. Everyone see carefully. Himalayas is divided into three parts. Western Himalayas, Middle Himalayas and Eastern Himalayas. Western Himalayas is in between Indus and Kali. Middle Himalayas is in between Kali and Teesta. Eastern Himalayas is in between Teesta and Brahmaputra. You can write longitudinal division of Himalayas. Okay? Longitudinal division of Himalayas. First one. Can you tell Western Himalayas from where to where, guys? Western Himalayas. It is from Indus to Kali River. Okay. See this. In Jammu and Kashmir, it is called as Kashmir Himalayas. In Himachal Pradesh, it is called as Himachal Himalayas. In Uttarakhand, it is divided into two parts, guys. Western and Eastern. Western side, it is called Garhwal Himalayas. Eastern side, it is called Kumaon Himalayas. Okay? Western side, it is called as Garhwal Himalayas. Eastern side, it is called as Kumaon Himalayas. Guys, Nanda Devi, can you tell me Nanda Devi is in which side of Uttarakhand? Nanda Devi is in eastern side. It comes under Kumaon. Note guys. Please see NCRT guys. NCRT gives a different thing. According to NCRT, from Sutlej to Mahakali River, it is called as Kumaon Himalayas. From Sutlej to Mahakali, it is known as Kumaon Himalayas. Ma'am, basically earlier, Nepal extended till Sutlej, ma'am. It used to be called as Kumaon. Later, they divided into these two. Guys, if they give you this statement, it is correct. But if they give you these words, just be careful. That's it. Next, guys. Second, Middle Himalayas. It extends from Kali to Tista. And some of the world's highest mountains are here. Some of the world's highest mountain peaks are here. Do you agree, guys? Mount Everest, Annapurna, Kanchenjunga, they're all present in Middle Himalayas. They're also known as Nepal Himalayas. They're also known as Nepal Himalayas. Third, Eastern Himalayas. They're also called as Arunachal Himalayas. It is in between Teesta to Siang. Abor, Miri, Mishmi, Dafla are some of the important mountains in this region. Guys, can you open Northeast India map separately? Can you find these mountains, guys? Guys, remember, Abor, Miri, Mishmi, and Dafla are hills also, tribal name also. They are hills also, tribal name also. Okay, next. Everyone see here, we had lesser Himalayas. In front of lesser Himalayas, you had some sedimentary deposits. I'm not talking about Shivaliks, I'm talking about lesser Himalayas. So now what happened? This was lesser Himalayas, and here I got Shivaliks. You see, all these sediments were compressed to form Shivaliks. All the sediments were compressed to form Shivaliks. So this is lesser Himalayas, this is Shivaliks. Can you tell me, if you have rocks, big boulders, will it be easy to compress or difficult to compress this? They were difficult to compress, and they formed a land in between. And these lands are called as duns. These lands are called duns. Have you heard Dehradun? Have you heard Dehradun? You see, I'll repeat. You see, guys, this is my lesser Himalayas. In front of lesser Himalayas, there were deposits like this. Okay, there were deposits like this. Now what happened? Shivaliks were formed. Okay, this is Shivaliks, this is lesser Himalayas. In between these two, you have a valley called as duns. That is called Dehradun. So You write below note, you write duns. In between, Lesser Himalayas and Shivaliks there is longitudinal valley known as duns. Example Dehradun. Okay. You have to look for the term longitudinal valleys. Not much, Aditya. But that is, you tell me if it is behind Shivaliks, will there be shadow of Shivaliks? Will there be shadow of Shivaliks? Will it be cooler? Is it good to stay? Doers or doers? Coffee require little high temperature, Aditya. You see this? Below Shivaliks in West Bengal and Assam, you have, see, mountain means it should be like this, but you have like this. You have like this. You people tell me, can I grow tea in this region? Can I grow tea in this region? Will the water keep coming down? Will the water keep coming down? Yes. So you write beyond Nepal, in West Bengal and Assam, we observe sedimentary deposit in the form of duars, which are helpful for tea cultivation. Tea cultivation. Shall I move? Up. I will do Purvanchal. See, if you have Shivaliks like this, in front of Shivaliks, the deposits are like this, called as duars or doors. Okay. Next is we have Purvanchal or Eastern Himalayas. Purvanchal or Eastern Himalayas? See guys, it is at the border of India, Myanmar, and Bangladesh. It is at the border of India, Myanmar, and Bangladesh. Everyone see here, if this is Bhutan, this is Arunachal Pradesh for you. In this part, everyone, Arunachal Pradesh, in this part, can you look for Patkai Bum? Easternmost side, Arunachal Pradesh. Can you see Patkai Bum? Then next, can you see below Naga? Naga. Yes. Naga Hills. Can you see here, guys? East Manipuri Hills. East Manipuri Hills. This is called Limatal Ranges. Limatal Ranges. Here you will have Bareil Ranges. Can you see? Bareil Ranges. Nagaland, Assam border. Bareil Ranges. Can you see here? Mizoram, Mizo or Lushai Hills. In this you will find Tripura Hills. See guys, they are known as Purvanchal. Yes, Aditya. Can you draw this, guys? Manipur is very important this year, guys. Yes. Manipur is very important this year. That is different, Akash. This is hills in Himalayas. Yes, Anjali. Limatal is on the western side of Manipur. You may find, you may not find. Don't worry. Khasi, Jaintia, they are part of Peninsular Plateau. Bareil Ranges, border of Nagaland and Assam. Did you draw? Six. These hills are formed along with Himalayas formation. They are shorter in height and parallel to Indo-Myanmar border. Indo-Myanmar border. Okay. Everyone now, everyone now will take up mains question. Formation of Himalayas. Formation of Himalayas. First theory which tried to explain formation of Himalayas was continental drift theory by Wegener. Continental drift theory by Wegener. Is if you recollect, I'll write the story. According to Wegener, Eurasia was part of Laurasia and India was part of, can you tell me India was part of what? Gondwana land and they were separated by which sea, guys? Which sea? Tethys Sea. They were separated by Tethys Sea. Later, due to polar fleeing force, gravitational differential force, okay, India separated from Africa, and drifted towards Eurasia. And during this, sediments of Tethys Sea was compressed to form Himalayas. Is that the reason we name some of them as Tethys Himalayas? Done, guys? Aditya, we have to write continental drift theory. Okay? We have to write continental drift theory, even though forces are rejected. Your introduction should always be continental drift theory. Next, guys, plate tectonics. Plate tectonics. W.J. Morgan, while explaining about fold mountains, explains formation of Himalayas. He argued that continent 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 convergence led to formation of Himalayas. Okay. According to him, Tethys plate was in between Eurasian plate and Indo Australian plate, and sediments from both the plate were deposited in that. Actually, it is a sea, and they say there was a plate called Tethys plate. This is your Indo-Australian. This is your Eurasian. Rivers were flowing and they were depositing the sediments. Please understand, guys. These were sediments which became rock. Whenever sediments become rock, they will not be very hard. It will be soft and it is easy to break. Okay. So this became sedimentary rock. This is the reason I was telling you Himalayas are made up of soft rocks, because sedimentary rocks formed like this is easy to erode. In Tethys Sea, sedimentary rocks were formed. Yeah. Shall I move? See, guys, now what is going to happen? Due to convergence, sedimentary rocks were folded into anticlines and synclines to form Trans Himalayas, like like now, are you comfortable with the terminologies? Karakoram, Ladakh, Zaskar, Kailash. Then Greater Himalayas was formed from Nanga Parbat to Namcha Barwa. Don't worry about words, guys, because by the time you write, it will obviously reduce, no? Then Greater Himalayas was formed from Nanga Parbat to Namcha Barwa. Are you comfortable with these terminologies as I told? Now? Yes. Everyone? Now you see the diagram? Eurasian plate. Six. This is your Trans Himalayas, Greater Himalayas, and this is geosyncline. This syncline, if entire earth bends in that manner, we call geosyncline. Are you getting how to write? How to link theories and all? Shall I move? Geosyncline is an area of depression like this. No, not Dun, not Dun. Dun is longitudinal valley in between these two. Geosyncline is syncline, depression. In front of Greater Himalayas, we observe geosyncline, where sediments were deposited. Stop. These were compressed during second upheaval to form lesser Himalayas like Pirpanjal, Dholadhar, Naktiba, etc. Okay. Next, guys, in front of lesser Himalayas, upheaval, UPHEAVEL, in front of lesser Himalayas, we observe a geosyncline which was compressed to form Shivaliks during third upheaval. Shall I move? These Akash, it is trans and greater. These Shivaliks were made up of sedimentary rocks and are lesser in height compared to lesser and greater Himalayas. Lesser and greater Himalayas. Shall I? In front of in front of Shivaliks, Gangetic geosyncline is present where sediments are deposited by rivers from Himalayas and peninsula. Done? Okay. Eurasian plate, Everyone, which are the four? Trans, greater, lesser, Shivaliks. Do you all agree? Trans, greater, lesser, Shivaliks. Kamalpal, I told you, there you had Tethys Sea. So sediments got deposited in the Tethys Sea, and those sediments became Greater Himalayas. Everyone, just 1 minute you check here. Is this part entering into asthenosphere, guys? Is this part entering into asthenosphere? Do you recollect near convergent boundary? Near convergent boundary, yes. Will it melt and start rising, guys? Will it melt and start rising? I'm sorry. If it rises, you tell me, in between sedimentary rocks, will there be gaps? In between sedimentary rocks, will there be gaps? Yes. In those gaps, will the magma fill? In those gaps, will the magma fill? Yes. Okay. Now you tell, if I have like this, if I have a mountain like this, if I keep on adding from below, is there possibility of height of the mountain increasing, guys? Is there possibility of height of the mountain increasing? Yes. Are Himalayas increasing even today? Are Himalayas increasing even today? Yes. Yes. Good. Second, you tell me, initially Himalayas were formed from which type of rocks, guys? Initially Himalayas were formed from which type of rocks? Sedimentary. Good. Now you tell here, magma is coming from below. They are solidifying. Are they called as intrusive igneous rocks? Are they called as intrusive igneous rocks? Yes. Okay. Can I say Himalayas are made up of sedimentary rocks? Can I say Himalayas are made up of sedimentary rocks? Can I say, Himalayas are also made up of igneous rocks? Igneous rocks, yes. Now you tell, when I compress, guys, due to pressure, will these rocks convert into metamorphic? Will these rocks convert into metamorphic due to pressure? So can I say in Himalayas you will have sedimentary also, igneous also, metamorphic also. Do you agree? Yes. Guys, can you people tell me Shivaliks, is it outermost? Shivaliks, is it outermost as of today? If it is outermost, can I say it is not yet made up of other type of rocks? It is still made up of sedimentary. Can I say over a period of time even that will form metamorphic? Okay. Please draw this. Yeah, Aditya. Guys, is this concept easy now? Is this concept easy? Kamalpal, we don't know. As of now, no. Please practice it, guys. Please practice it. If you can practice, it would become easier. These are the questions where you should score maximum marks, guys. And others, I'm telling you, if you have not attended, if you have not attended uh, like continental drift theory, if you have not attended what we call as plate tectonics, all these will be very difficult. The content part, factual data, is important from prelims point of view. More than enough, is more than enough. Yes, yes, yes. Done, guys. Yes. No need, Aniket. No need. Okay, guys. We'll meet tomorrow. Nikhil, no, no, Nikhil, no holiday. Someone was asking for ID. Telegram ID. Thank you. Usefulness of Himalayas is it protects India from the cold winds that blow, and it makes India a separate subcontinent. Nothing much.
Yes, despite their strength and resilience.